Hello everybody, this is Math Coach Taylor with another math video. In today's video, I will be modeling a multiplication strategy that's called partial products. Now, we're all familiar with the standard algorithm for multiplication, but we don't want to teach our children that yet until, I know in the state of Alabama, until 5th grade, by the end of 5th grade. So we want to make sure that we give them a lot of strategies that they can use to solve multiplication problems. Now, we have a lot of students that struggle with the standard algorithm, so this helps them to understand what each one of the digits in a multiplication problem means. So let's get started. Here's our first problem. All right, I'm going to solve 56 times 38. Now notice I drew a backwards 7. Now, because I'm going to put my partial factors on this side. So let's get started. So the first thing I can do, and you can do this in any order. I can start with the tens place first, or I can start with the ones. So I'm going to start with the ones. 8 times 6, I'm going to put that on the outside. And then 8 times 50. The 5 is in the tens place, so it's worth 50. Now let's look at the 3. The 3 is in the tens place, so it's worth 30. 30 times the 6. Now, the 3 is in the tens place, and so is the 5. So that's 30 times 50. So here are my partial factors, and now we're going to solve the multiplication problem. We know that 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 50. Well, we know in 8 times 50, we have 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40, so 8 times 50 is 400. 30 times 6. In 30 times 6, we have a basic fact. 3 times 6 is 18, so 30 times 6 is 180. 30 times 50. In 30 times 50, we have a basic fact of 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So 30 times 50 is 1,500. Now, I'm going to add my partial products because these are partial answers to get my final answer. So my final answer is 2,128. Now, remember, this is partial products where we get part of our answer at a time, and we're helping our students understand place value. They will get to the standard algorithm eventually, but until the end of 5th grade, we want to make sure that before then, we're teaching them partial products. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and also follow me.